All right, now let's take a look at some of today's other top business headlines. Alibaba reported a profit of nearly $7 billion in the second quarter as e-commerce sales rose 34% from last year. The company's results come as Chinese regulators step up scrutiny of tech companies across the country's tech sector. Well, the track and field competition at the Olympics continues to set records. The men's 400-meter hurdles overnight featuring 3 men running faster than the previous world record, which had stood for some 29 years. Norwegian Karsten Warholm became the first man to break 46 seconds in the one-lap race, running 45.94 seconds to beat American Rai Benjamin, who set the American record in his silver medal performance. Also on the track just this morning, 19-year-old American Opta Mo became the first American woman to win the 800 meters since 1968. And the deal spree just won't let up in the retail space. Wolverine World Wide, which owns brands including Merrell and Keds, said Tuesday it would buy women's activewear brand Sweaty Betty for some $410 million. This deal follows news from Foot Locker yesterday that the company would spend a little over $1 billion to buy 2 retailers. And Brian Sozzi, as we just talked about with Simeon Siegel, coming on the same day that Victoria's Secret parent company L Brands completes its spinoff. Certainly a lot of activity happening in the retailer space. Everyone reshuffling, recombining. A new market, a new cycle here appears to have arrived in that space.
Yeah, everybody trying to position for 2022 already. I would suspect you'll see more deal activity in the retail space moving forward. But if you're Wolverine Worldwide, you cannot let VF Corp, which owns North Face, Timberland. They went out late last year, spent $2 billion to buy streetwear brand Supreme. You can't let VF Corp go out there and buy every single active wear or street brand around. You have to make a play. And here's Brendan Hoffman, CEO of Wolverine Worldwide, former CEO of Lord & Taylor, making a big play here. At that purchase price, it makes sense.
Sweaty Betty, more of a Keds or more of a Saucony tie-in? How do you see that one?
It's kind of like a Lululemon meets Keds sort of mashup, but it's not Victoria's Secret.
Well, I'm saying, so if in the Sweaty Betty store, you want to sell more pairs of Keds or more pairs of Sauconys?
Keds.
Keds.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Keds and Sweaty Betty Keds collab coming to you. APL for Lulu, Keds for the team over at Sweaty Betty.